Yes, my name is Anand.
Yeah, got it. I know about you.
Okay, thank you. So, yeah, what's up?
Yeah, I'm just sitting in my shop. I own a shop.
Okay,
Yeah,
what type of material you sold?
yeah, I got it. I sell clothes, clothes. Yeah,
Okay, clothes. You
it's a
have
clothing
garment
store.
shop.
It's a clothing store. You can see
Okay, I can see. Okay,
clothing store.
okay. I think it is big.
Yeah, it's quite big.
Okay. So
So
I
now
think
I'm free. My father is in my shop, and he taking customers. So now I'm free and wanted to talk to you.
okay, thank you, thank you. So yeah, I can see that you will be earning good money because you have big clothes shop. Okay, I have also a clothes shop. My father owned. Okay, but
Yeah,
not too big.
yeah. Definitely
Mhm.
one day you'll own a big shop. I wish. If you're continuously working hard uh, to do anything, you'll be successful ultimately.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I do
Hmm.
agree.
And what have you been doing these days apart from making videos on YouTube, talking to people on Skype and making videos and uploading that videos on YouTube?
Hmm.
I watch all of your
Yes. Apart from the making videos, right now I am a teacher. Okay, I have my own coaching, and I am teaching students.
Okay, that's very nice. And at the same
Okay,
time, you are
please hold. Yeah, yeah. Please hold for. Now go on. Sorry for inconvenience.
no
Hmm.
problem. I can wait for you. You are a good person as long as you and you are doing a great job on YouTube.
Thank you very much for your appreciation. Hmm.
You spoke some tutors from Cambly. I watched those videos and got inspired by watching your videos. So I can also do that if in my free time.
Of course, bro, nothing is, nothing is big or impossible. Okay, just it depends on your wish and will. Okay, once you will do. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
matter of
you
fact. Mm. So
totally
of
agree with you.
course, yeah. So of course, yeah. Once you have burning desire to achieve something, I think it is not a great deal to achieve it. Sooner or later, you are going to achieve it. Okay, it maybe takes time. It may take time, but you will achieve it.
Hmm. But just we need to start anything if you want if we want to do in our life, we need to start it at first.
At first start it, because when you will start and when we start something, then we get idea how to proceed in our journey. Okay, and until we do not start, imagination is nothing. Okay, no, when we start we get a practical knowledge that what should be correct and how should we travel the journey. So I think, yeah, start is the main thing, that lots of people just thinking that they will start one day, okay, when they will get perfection. But the matter of fact is that when you will start, then only you can get perfect. Otherwise, there is no chance to get perfect.
Yes, yes, totally agree.
Yes, bro. Of course, I hope you will do good, okay, very soon, because you are speaking very well. Yeah. So I think it is not going to take much time. Okay. I think very less amount of time you can do a lot in English.
Yeah, I think so because you know what whatever I speak, what English I speak, I just learn from watching English movies and TV series and sometimes I read magazines whenever I get free, and I don't I don't get a lot of opportunity to speak to people. I mean, I don't get opportunity to practice my English in my area. So the other day I found a link to join Skype. There's a friend of mine who sent me on WhatsApp a link to join Skype. I joined and I got a lot of people to meet. I got to know a lot of people on Skype. They are from America, Britain, and in India as well. From India as well. So it was really helpful for me to practice my English. And the day before yesterday, I got to know about you on YouTube. I don't know why YouTube suggested me your video. It was good, and got to know about you on your channel and how you speak with people on your channel. So it was really motivating for me. And then
Thank you very much.
at that time, I thought I should talk to you. Yeah.
Of course, bro. And one thing I wanted to ask you, you got my Skype from my channel or somewhere else? How did you
No, no.
get my?
Yeah, you're right. I got from your channel, in the description, I know I just read your Skype ID. It was really critical, a lot of words and numeric numbers and characters as well. I just typed in search box of Skype. Then I got to know about you. About
Okay,
I think I got your ID on Skype.
okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So tell me a little bit about your city where you live. What type of city is it? Is it a big city or just a small town?
It's just a small town, Jaunpur. I beg you must have heard about Mirzapur web series.
Mirzapur web series, I have heard.
Mirzapur is next. Mirzapur district is next to my district, Jaunpur, and you can also heard about Jaunpur in that series as well. I
I
think.
haven't watched it, so yeah.
Yeah,
Yet I haven't watched this series, but I know about Mirzapur. Nowadays it is very famous web
yeah.
series. Okay,
Famous,
so mm,
and Jaunpur is my district, and there's a town in Jaunpur that's called Mariahun. It's a tahsil. So I stay in Mariahun, and
good.
there my
Uh,
and
how
it's my
far your? It is your hometown?
yeah, it's my hometown.
Good, great.
So I stay here, and I help my father to in his business. Yeah.
Okay. Great. I think business is great thing. Okay. So I love doing business. Okay. And I know that business can make you rich, but on the same time, business takes a lots of, a skill. Okay. Because business is not easy task. I think job is more easier than business. Okay. In business, you will have to take care of your everything. Okay. How to behave with customer, how to talk with them, how to impress them, how to sell your goods. Okay, so yeah, I think the more you creative, more you can develop your business.
Yes, you're right. You have to put a lot of efforts in running a business.
Hmm.
You have to take care of your customers, and you have to take care of your goods. Whatever you first of all you have to uh, get that from wholesaler. Then you have to carry it at your at your store. Then you have to sell that, and at the same time you also have to take care of your customers need, and whatever they like, whatever they don't like. So it's not.
Customers needs, as well as you will have to see your competitors, other competitors around you, how they are selling the things. Because lots of time, if you are not giving, the benefit to your customers more than the other, competitors, then they might migrate to other, you know. So
And I also taught mathematics Last year I taught mathematics to students who prepare for competitive exams. You know, the reason was teaching that I also prepared for competitive exam like state bank and SSC. So unfortunately I didn't get selected yet. I haven't get selected yet. So I just doing my that preparation as well.
Okay, that's great. If you are doing your study as well as you are running your business, that is the good, really good thing.
Yeah, sometimes I also teach mathematics at my nearby. In my nearby, there's a institution where I go to teach. Students who prepare for competitive exams. I am really good at mathematics and reasoning, and yeah, English. When it comes to written English and composition, I'm in competitive English. I can do that very well, but when it comes to spoken English, sometimes I'm not able to speak like people who are good at English.
So, what is the reason behind it? When it comes to a write or in a writing section, you do well, but when it comes to a speak English, you get fumble or something like that. What is the reason behind it?
You
What do you
know, the,
think the main reason behind it?
I don't I don't get much chance to practice my English. Uh,
Okay.
3 times in a month I just speak to people on Skype. I don't have much time, so I have to buy my time to do that.
Okay, I got that you have lack of practice,
Yeah,
and
like a
just a spoken English is matter of practice. It doesn't matter how much grammar, how much writing you know, but if you haven't practiced a speaking practice, if you are not doing a speaking practice, then you can't speak English. I have seen lots of people know very well grammar. They have a good grammar writing section, but they can't speak English. The problem is that they have never tried speaking and as well as they never practice speaking.
yes, yes, you're right.
English, bro.
So what were you doing before speaking me?
I taught my student. It was Sunday today, so there was a 2 hour class. So I taught them English grammar and determiners exercise in English grammar. Okay, and after that I got free. I took my breakfast at 8:30 o'clock. I start teaching in 6 in the morning and finish 8:30. Okay, and just I was after that. No, I was doing nothing. I mean, I was reading some books.
I got it.
Mm.
you know I It's my personal opinion. When you read books, you get a lot of ideas and a lot of words, sentence structure, good sentence structure to speak with people. When you are speaking with people, you can use those sentences in your speaking, and I do
Uh,
that sometimes.
I think it is very important to make a different type of sentence from a same word. Okay. I mean, yeah, when we learn grammar, we should use grammar. And I have seen one thing is very difficult. Whatever you have learned and what are you using, there is a lots of difference between those things. I know grammar very well, but when it comes to speak, I do not use it, okay, properly.
Yeah, you're right.
So yeah, right now my intention is to use those words and sentences in my English grammar. Spoken, sorry, not English grammar.
Yes, yes.
Okay, bro. I think. Mhm.
Yeah,
Do you
of
have
course.
any? Yeah.
Yeah, I got some customers at my store, so I have to go.
Okay. Bye. Bye.
Bye
I miss
bye.
you.